Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to do a massive fabric shopping haul. So it seems like I haven't done a video like this in forever, but for today I decided I just want to share with you a few of the fabrics that I bought online. Actually bought quite a few fabrics because you know my weakness is just like beautiful fabrics. Here, it's in a massive box. But I don't really want to show you the box because this is not a sponsored video. The box has like the name of the company where I bought it from. So I don't really want to show you the box, but these are all the fabrics that I bought. So I have a bunch here, and you guys, when I saw the fabrics, I was just like, I just have to have it. I ordered everything like less than 5 minutes. I really buy a lot of my fabrics from that website. Like this dress that I'm wearing, I made it. If you haven't seen the tutorial of this dress, I'm gonna have the link in the description box below. So anyway, I absolutely love their fabric, especially this type of fabric. It's called double brush jersey knit. I absolutely love this type of fabric because it's just like so soft, but it's also thick enough that you don't really have to use some sort of lining. So it just makes it a lot more easier. And they are very, very affordable. So yeah, all the fabrics like this dress that I'm wearing, and a lot of the dresses tutorial, the floral prints that I posted here on my channel, they are all double brush jersey knit. So let's go ahead and get started and show you what I have. So yeah, so the first one, they're still in the bag, in the plastic bag right here. Let me open it so you guys can see it. Yeah, I bought like 2 yards per type of fabric. As you can see, you guys, this has stripe and floral. How gorgeous is that? And see, I don't know if you can see it. It is not see-through. It is really thick, and I don't have to wear or I don't have to sew a lining on this dress. I've been waiting for this type of print that I was like hoping that they're gonna come out with some sort of stripe and floral together, and they did. I'm like super excited. That's why I just have to have it. So this is the one. This is the first one. It has black and white stripes. As you can see, really thin stripes. Skinnier the stripes, the skinnier you're gonna look. So yeah, that's important. Or taller. So yeah, that's important. And I absolutely love the red roses. I already have a plan on what I'm gonna do with this one, but it's going to be a surprise. But I already have a plan. I already know exactly what I'm going to do with this one, but that's gonna wait, and I will just surprise you. I'm not gonna tell you what type of garment I'm going to be. You know, it's going to be it's either skirt, shirt, or a dress. So yeah, so those three. And just because I love it so much, I also got it in this print. This time it's actually navy blue. The stripes are navy blue. And so let me just open it so you guys can see it. So there you go. Same thing, you know, same thing, but the stripes, it's white and navy blue, and the print, the floral print, is pink. So let me show you the difference so you can tell what. See? And yeah, this one, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I was like searching for inspiration, and I saw a bunch, and this reminds me of this Dolce & Gabbana dress. I mean, they have that some sort of floral and stripe dress, and it looks so pretty. So I think that's going to be my inspiration when I make some of this, when I make something out of this fabric. And because I extra love it, I also got it in pink. Yes, pink. It's like, this one is a very light pink stripe. The pink is lighter. The pink on this one is lighter. So light pink roses, and then dusty rose stripe. I absolutely love it. It's so beautiful, and it's so soft, you guys. It's so soft. If you buy this type of fabric, if you've been watching my tutorial, if you've been following me or watching my videos for a few years now, you know that I like blue flowers. So today I got some more blue. So this time it's actually gingham print. So you can see that, and it has like small floral prints. As you can, I'll compare it so you will see how big the difference. This one are much the scale on the print, the scale of the print here is about this big, probably 2.5 inches. Yeah, about 2 to 3.5 inches, and this one is about 1/2 inch. So this is a gingham print. I love ginghams. Yeah, I love gingham print. I think they're so summery and it's just like so beautiful. I do have an idea what to make with this, and it's just gonna matter of when. So yeah, that fabric is awesome. And plus, what I like about this this website where I buy a lot of my fabrics is the width of their fabrics are actually big. This company actually, they carries wider width. That's why I absolutely love to buy fabrics from them, because the width are like, you know, they have, I think these fabrics they are around 56 width. Yeah, so I like it. I get more fabric for my money. Because I really love this print. When I saw this one, yes, I have to have it. You know, I also love, yeah, I already told you I love gingham prints. So this one is black and white with a little, about 1 inch wide. So it's a perfect scale. I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh, I just love fabrics. I'm obsessed with fabrics. And so this fabrics that I'm going to show you, I actually bought them in a separate purchase when I purchased this fabric. So it was like a few weeks ago. So this one, it's also the same type of fabric. It's called double brushed jersey knit fabric. So yeah, I absolutely love it. As you can see, it's white, and I just love the color, the blue and the light pink. My kids are playing. Yeah, we just finished homeschooling, by the way. That's why I was able to do this. Yeah, that's actually one of the reasons why I'm like super busy January and February, because, you know, after the holidays, the children are just like so distracted. So when we go back to our homeschooling routine, it was so hard to break it. They think we are still in holidays. They thought school is over. So yeah, that's why I'm like super busy. Yeah, even though this is white, it's actually still it's not as see-through as you would think it will be. But for this this type of fabric, I'm probably going to, if I make a dress out of this, I am going to wear a slip underneath it, because, you know, it's white. It's important that you do that. So that is that one. And the last one, it's still in this plastic. I'm actually going to put everything in the plastic bag. I don't know why. And this is the last one. This one is the print is very small. If you have any suggestion on what you want me to make out of these fabrics, but just be sure when you suggest something, be sure that it is modest, because I only make dresses, skirts, or shirt. So if you want, you know, if you want me to do something, some sort of like statement sleeves or whatever, as long as it is modest, I'm going to try to do it for you guys. These are all the fabrics that I bought the other day. Actually, I bought it last week. It just arrived yesterday. That's why I was able to film this. And I'm just going to have all the links in the description box below if you guys are interested. I highly recommend it if you like to start sewing using knit fabrics. Just try these fabrics because they're very easy to work with. Actually, you know, when I started sewing knit fabrics, they're actually very hard to work with, some of them, but these are not. By the way, you guys, I want to say thank you so much for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. I reached 47,000 subscribers 4 days ago, and I'm super excited about it. Thank you so much again. That's it, you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!